In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a chart template on MetaTrader 5. This is a must-know skill for anyone using this powerful trading platform because it allows you to preserve your customized chart settings, helping streamline your analysis process and saving you time for each trading session. Let's begin by opening your MetaTrader 5 platform and navigating to the chart you wish to save as a template. Take a moment to ensure that this chart is set up precisely how you want it. Whether you've incorporated custom indicators, adjusted the time frame, or chosen specific color schemes, all these settings will be included in the template. This feature is particularly useful if you, like many traders, find yourself using consistent analytical approaches or technical indicators across different currency pairs or commodities. Now, the first action you'll need to take is to right-click anywhere on the chart window. Doing so will bring up a context menu with a variety of options. Look for the one labeled Templates. The drop-down menu that appears next will give you several choices related to managing your chart templates, such as selecting an existing one or saving a new one. In this case, you'll want to focus on the option that says Save Template. When you click on this, a small dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new template. It's a good idea to choose a name that reflects the settings applied or the strategy you intend to use with this configuration. For instance, you might name it based on the time frame or the type of indicators showcased, like daily moving averages or RSI strategy. This way, it's easily identifiable when you're switching between different templates. Once you've typed in your preferred name, confirm by clicking the Save button. With this simple action, you've created a new template that you can apply to any chart within MetaTrader 5, ensuring quick and consistent setup. This method of saving templates is an efficient way to optimize your workflow, especially if you deal with multiple assets, and can significantly reduce the repetitive work involved in setting up your charts every time you log into the platform. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to saving a chart template in MetaTrader 5. By following these steps, you can easily navigate through your trading strategies with consistent chart setups, allowing you to focus more on the analysis and decision-making aspects of trading. We hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or require further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.